Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see QC photos on Kakobuy. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for anyone who doesn't know, QC stands for quality control photos. Now these are photos agents take of your item once it arrives at the warehouse, so things like stitching, tags, logos, overall conditions, and all of that. Now platforms like Kakobuy have their own built-in QC viewer, but Kakobuy does not. So what does that mean? Let's go ahead and break it down. So when you link a product on platforms like Kakobuy, all you really need is the product link. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose a product here. So let's have a look at, say, these slippers. So basically I want to go ahead and click onto the product, and now I want to go ahead and copy. Basically, I want to copy this link and then paste it in here. So please enter the product name or link, or I can search for them. So fluffy slippers. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and say which ones here. I'm going to click onto these ones. Now here's the product page, and in many cases it's going to show the QC photos right away. So you can go ahead and click on the photos, and if there are any QC quality control photos, you'll be able to see that here. Now if your quality control photos don't appear on Kakobuy, just use this website. So I'm just going to copy and paste this site here. So it's findqc.com. So just let that load. I'm going to click out of that. Now paste the same product link you used on Kakobuy, hit search, and it'll show you the exact QC photos for that item. So here are these slippers here. So I'll just search for that. So fixed soled fluffy slippers for women's. I just had to scroll down a little bit. So I'm going to click onto that. Now it's going to probably take 20 seconds to find quality control photos. As you can see, the images match perfectly. The QC photos on Find QC are the same as what the agents upload for that product. So even if Kakobuy doesn't display QC photos by default, you could still grab them from using that product link or product description. And that's basically it. Just use the product link, paste it in Find QC, and you're good to go.